To insert the paper, we need to go on the back over here, and you see there's a small plastic flap. You can open it and then take this black plastic piece over here and pull it out and let it rest on its back like this. Next step, you see there's two blue guides over here that we can move around. Well, depending what you want to print, in this case I simply want to use an 8.5 by 11 paper, I'll push these blue guides to their extremities this way. If I wanted to print on a 4 by 6 paper, I'll simply bring these together and insert my paper so both sides of the paper are touching these blue guides over here. So I took my stack of paper and simply let it sit this way. Do not push it too much, it should simply rest by itself. Then you can close this small plastic flap. So this is how you insert paper inside of your Epson EcoTank ET-2800. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.